We are recording. Are you recording? Boom. I think we're recording. Today we're gonna lift with our back, not with our legs. Today we're gonna believe in love after love. Today we're gonna hook up with a dude. Today we're going to French Laundry. Today we're gonna send nudes. Today we're gonna finally tell you what the fuck barrage means. Today we're gonna go sober. What is going on, barrages and barragettes? It is CH from HOMEBREW for life. Today we're gonna get our Bob Ross on. This is great if you have a Kegerator or if you're just a parent that can't afford toys for your kids. It's simple to do and I know you haven't done it. So today, me and you and me, we're gonna do this together. Quick question, let me know in the comment section if Ben Gay or Icy Hot works better on your penis. Bippity boppity barrage lord, you fam. All right, we need a canvas first. You can do this on a cabinet or a wall, but since this is a beer themed channel, today we're gonna be doing it on a fridge. So first things first, get a fridge. We scored this fridge for $50 off Craigslist a few blue moons ago. Me and Battle Mage Chris turned it into the most major factor to any man cave, a Kegerator. If you want to watch a video on how to make the perfect Kegerator from a stand-up fridge, then click right here on the top right of this screen. We are not gonna paint the whole fridge today. Just enough to create a menu for 1 to 3 beers on tap. Plus, you always got to keep your sticker game strong, fam. There's a few things we're going to need, but the two main things we're going to need: Krylon Color Max. Using a primer on plastic isn't the same as wood. Snag this brand and our chalkboard paint will never chip off. We don't need much, so the spray is cool. If you want to chalk up your whole fridge, I'd snag a quart of it though. Chalkboard paint. This is probably the one thing you're definitely not going to have laying around in your garage if I were to put money on it. And I did put money on it. I didn't pay for this. A buddy hooked me up with this. We're not gonna do 1 coat of this.
2 coats.
But, so we need this size. Obviously tape. Shout out to Link, reminding me to crack a beer. You know what Zelda game this is from? I'll give you a hint. It was on the OG Game Boy. Roller and tray set. I always try to keep a few of these in my garage on hand. They're only a few bucks, so it's kind of pointless to go buy one at a time. Brushes for cutting. Just know to throw them out after each use. It's not worth cleaning these. They're like $1. And you only have to clean really nice brushes, like the Purdy brand. But cleaning paintbrushes takes a while. Throw these out after every use. Chalk. Literally the cheapest thing you will ever buy. There's nice painter's chalk out there with pretty colors, but I'm a nightmare when it comes to being an artist. The only thing I know how to draw is the Stussy logos, so I'm just going economical in this department. This might be optional, or this might save your life. Sandpaper, nothing too crazy. You don't need a machine, you don't need a sander. Just grab the paper and you can do it manually. Want a quick sandpaper tutorial? The smaller the number, like 60 or 80, the gnarlier it's gonna be. We don't want that. We want something that's like 160 to 220, which is very fine and won't destroy our fridge. 60 will take a beard off. Step 1, get on over to our merch store and buy up. We have all your Christmas, Kwanzaa, and Chanukah needs. T-shirts, sweatshirts, coffee mugs, and even that fanny pack for grandma. Throw on a Homebrew for Life t-shirt and send us a pic, just like this barrage, and we'll smear it all over the internet to create Barrage Lord awareness. All right, step 2, let's get on that time-lapse train, which means more music and me less running my mouth. All right, let's remove the tray and let's wipe down our canvas with a hot towel. Now hit it with some sandpaper, but not too aggressively. This is the optional part. Come to think of it, this is all optional. You actually don't have to be doing any of this, let alone watching this video right now. The only thing you're really supposed to do in life is pay taxes and die. And if you sell drugs on the black market, you don't even have to pay taxes. But let's stay focused. Wipe it again with our wet towel to clean all the shavings off, and then let's hit it with a clean towel. Our canvas is good to go. It's kind of your call on the tape situation. I just want to have mine somewhat clean. And if you fuck up this job, don't ever get a job as a painter. This is good advice. What we're doing right now is like 1 step up from drawing a stick figure. I'm gonna hit it with a blade just to make sure this video is a little bit better. Anybody who knows me in real life knows there's no way on planet Earth I'd be doing this much unless I was making a YouTube video. Be very liberal with your primer, but be sure to give it a really good shake though. Cake it on, spray it in, wipe it in, spray it in. It dries pretty fast, but just make sure it's completely dry. Now get your chalk paint all mixed in. It looks blue at first, like you bought the wrong product, but just keep mixing it in. And with every mix, you'll start to feel a little bit better inside. Let's cut the handle. Let's make Bob Ross proud. Now go ham. This is the fun part. Just like Mario Paint. Finish your coat, wait till it completely dries, and then hit it with a second coat. After the second coat is dry, we are done. The fridge handle looks clean. Shout out to whoever invented tape. Shout out to anybody who's here right now. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here looking at my shitty face. And therefore, I love you. What else we got? We got the broadcast. Check out the broadcast on Spotify. We got YouTubers coming on. We got brewery owners coming on. We got business owners coming on. We got anybody that's smarter than me coming on. We're talking about hangover cures, walk for the cure, hangover awareness, YouTube blues, the beer scene 10 years ago, life after COVID. I don't know. We just talk about stuff. Spotify, check it out. Brew Show was on. Floor Brewing was on. If you guys want to check this out, we made a hard seltzer video last week. It was delicious. I have a key lime and a vanilla, and I like to mix them. Here it is right there. We're firing up the broadcast tonight. The broadcast, this is how bad at marketing we are. There's a broadcast podcast that's serious. There's a broadcast podcast that's serious. And then we do the virtual happy hour every Wednesday night. I'm literally going to go log on right now. If you're done with this video, we'll be over there. That's on the other channel. The link's in the bio. If you guys have any questions, we could talk about it. Generally, we talk about the videos we just uploaded. All the barrages show up. Brewmill Tony, Will the Thrill Town. There's a million other names I'm forgetting right now. I'll probably just edit those out so nobody feels left out. If you guys have any questions about the stuff that we used in the video, all the links will be in the description. That's it. Cheers to eating good and drinking good. Bottoms up. All right. Let's head over to the broadcast.